Becoming rich isn't just about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and smart financial decisions. Here's how you can build wealth effectively. 1. Increase your income. Develop high-income skills such as sales, coding, marketing, or entrepreneurship. Consider multiple income streams like freelancing, real estate, or side businesses. The more you earn, the more you can invest. 2. Master financial discipline. Create a budget and track your spending. Avoid unnecessary debt, especially consumer loans and credit card debt. Live below your means and save aggressively at least 20 to 50% of your income if possible. 3. Invest smartly. Don't just save, invest. Put your money in appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or profitable businesses. Learn about index funds, dividends, and passive income sources. Let compounding work in your favor. 4. Build multiple income streams. Wealthy people don't rely on one paycheck. They diversify income investments, rental properties, online businesses, and stocks. Having multiple sources protects you from financial instability. 5. Take calculated risks. Start a business, invest in yourself, and seize opportunities. Risk-taking, when done wisely, accelerates wealth building. 6. Continuous learning and networking. Study finance, business, and market trends. Surround yourself with successful, growth-minded people. Learn from mentors, books, and courses. 7. Think long-term. Wealth isn't built overnight. Stay patient, stay consistent, and let your assets grow. Financial independence comes from smart choices and disciplined execution. Follow these steps, stay persistent, and you'll be on the path to financial success.